In a city of historical and mythological legacy, blooms a global knowledge center, a seat of learning par excellence. The Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Unveiling the secrets of basic sciences, development of game-changer technologies, and a learning ecosystem with values of academic integrity and accountability are the hallmarks of IIT Delhi. In global arena, IIT Delhi has taken a giant leap in terms of its research outputs and knowledge creation. Horizon of education and research in IIT Delhi has now no limits and boundaries. Academic departments, independent centers and specialized schools have expanded their wings to take in lap a wide range of disciplines, specific technologies and strategic areas. Under the aegis of R&D unit, 20 centers of excellence with individual funding up to rupees 15 crore has been established at IIT Delhi. Steered by Joint Research Advisory Committee, these world-class centers are fulfilling aspirations of industries and society. Research and Development Unit at IIT Delhi has been undertaking sponsored research, consultancies and other R&D activities since 1976. Specialized centers of excellence are dedicatedly addressing societal concerns such as waste to wealth, sustainable infrastructure, clean air and energy and environment, healthcare, robotics, artificial intelligence and cyber security. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and IIT Delhi have jointly set up a Joint Advanced Technology Center at IIT Delhi for developing specialty products and technologies for the defense sector. Ministry of Education, Government of India launched an ambitious nationwide Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. IIT Delhi is proud to be the national coordinator, having 200 institutes as participants. As a humble service to nation, Sathi Center has been set up with support from DST, providing super specialized state-of-the-art analytical tools to researchers, startups and MSMEs across the country at a cost of about $17 million. A central research facility for carrying out research in basic sciences and engineering domains have also been set up. In the cutting-edge area of nanotechnology, IIT Delhi has developed capability of fabricating devices with nanoscale precision at state-of-the-art nanoscale research facility. High Performance Computing Facility is a computing marvel available to developers and users for research in large-scale modeling, data analytics and artificial intelligence. R&D projects of IIT Delhi are striving to transform and help build a new India on the planks of research and innovation.
IRD unit of IIT Delhi strives for excellence in research in the cutting-edge areas. To meet this, we have recently piloted 12 grant challenge schemes for critical need in the area of environment, health, infrastructure and societal needs. Together, we can make the difference. So I thank all the students, faculty members and colleagues from IIT Delhi to come together and do best in the research and development.
These activities have now crossed national boundaries. 70 internationally sponsored research projects are ongoing with total funding of about 110 crore. Joint teams are engaged in collaboration with Clemson University, USA for developing medical devices, with University College of London, UCL in the area of health and social sciences, and with National Yangming Chiaotong University, Taiwan for the advancement of semiconductor technology. To utilize the best talent and facilities across national and international research organizations, a multi-institute faculty interdisciplinary research project, that is MFIRP scheme, is also underway, and AIMS researchers are working jointly towards developing a robust healthcare system through engineering and technology interventions. Similarly, interdisciplinary teams of IITD are working with ICAR in the area of agriculture, and with NII in the area of immunology. IIT Delhi promotes interdisciplinary and collaborative research among faculty members under Faculty Interdisciplinary Research Project, that is FIRP scheme, by providing seed grant to teams of experts. IIT Delhi is striving towards translation of lab research into futuristic workable technology and business enterprise. FIRE scheme for faculty and PhD scheme for students have been launched to achieve this objective. In order to enhance research aptitude among undergraduate and graduate students, two specific schemes were launched in 2016. IRD Student Startup Action and Discover and Learn 1, 2, 3, 4. Currently, 18 IRD Student Startup Action projects and 22 Discover and Learn projects are under progress in various research areas of national interest. These schemes are promoting learning by research. In its quest to create a diversified knowledge pool, IIT Delhi has gone extra miles to shatter barriers of disciplines and institutions. Collaboration and innovations are now buzzwords in the sprawling campus and sophisticated labs. IIT Delhi currently has 68 active MOUs with various industrial and government organizations, and R&D unit is implementing on an average 550 research projects and consultancies per year. We are keen to forge fruitful ties with researchers, industries, national and international institutions, startups, NGOs and government organizations to serve the nation and society at its best.
At IIT Delhi, we believe we can be transformative with our research, not just incremental. And that also means that we need to connect with the stakeholders, pick up the right kind of problems, develop solutions using high technologies, using all the facilities that are available on the campus, and finally deliver them to the stakeholders so that they benefit from our research. We want research that is visible not just to the peers or the researchers, but also to the sections of the society. That is what we strongly believe in. And we have always been doing research which is relevant for the society, and we have also focused on delivering these solutions to the end users. Even during the COVID time, IIT Delhi has followed a similar approach. For example, during the COVID time, we have filed something like 13 patents on just the COVID related technologies, and we have transferred 4 technologies to various industries, and we have also signed 19 licensing deals for COVID related solutions. And the research that we have done on COVID touched almost 10 million people in the country and abroad. That is the transformative power that IIT Delhi research has. And of course, we do cutting edge research, we publish papers in the top journals, but we want to go beyond that.
Pastures are green and horizon is bright.